Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to my seminar about how to stop thinking that you are not good enough at work. I believe that some of you may have faced this experience where you make some mistake at work and you start to feel, why am I not good enough? And you don't know how to make yourself feel better after that. So that's why I am here to help you solve that problem. So before we get started, I would like to introduce myself first. My name is Prayagon Sujai. I am from Section A, number 060. It's a pleasure to meet you all. Let's get started. So there are 4 steps that you can follow easily. The first one is connect rather than compare. Comparing yourself to other, whether it's a top model or your coworker, is desperate. When you compare yourself, you feel undervalued and less than in order to connect with others. It's crucial that you first know your strengths and positive quality. Take some time to take a good look at your characteristic and accomplishment and make a list to fully embrace all that you are. Second, stop over-identifying with circumstance. You are more than your mistakes, your income, and your body types. For example, if you make a mistake at work, that doesn't mean you are a failure. If you are having a hard time finding a job, that doesn't mean you are a loser. So don't let this perceived roadblock weigh on your feeling of self-worth. Third, love and accept yourself. Unconditional love means you love yourself no matter what. It means you have unconditional worth, love yourself without judgment. You are enough. You don't have to be superwoman and have to prove yourself and earn love from yourself or anyone else. You are not loved from what you do. You are loved for who you are. You should be gentle and compassionate with yourself. The last one is practice self-care. When you feel good about who you are and you feel worthy, you naturally take better care of yourself, and self-nurturing is the biggest part of self-care. Take a close look at how you are living. Are you having time for the things that bring you joy? Are you eating and moving and feeling healthy and energetic? Are you sleeping enough? If not, it's time to make some serious life change. Finally, repeat the following statement out loud. I am enough. I have enough. I am worthy. Honor yourself and own your power. So before I end this seminar, I would like to give you a quote. So you have to believe in yourself when no one else does. Let's make you a winner right here by Venus Williams. So I strongly believe that if you believe in yourself, no matter what your dream or your goal are, I believe that you can achieve it for sure. So I hope this seminar can help you change your perspective of yourself. And thank you all for joining this seminar. I really appreciate it. If you have any question, you can ask me now, or you can contact me through my email. And if you would like to know more about this, you can read it from my source, www.scicentral.com. Thank you.